morning students. In the previous video I told you the summary of the chapter The Wonder Called Sleep. In this video we will take line by line explanation. Our body and brain recover from fatigue. Fatigue means tiredness. After a good sleep we dream while sleeping, but we do not always remember our dreams. During sleep, our heartbeat becomes slower and our temperature and blood pressure go down. What are the advantages of sleep? What are the wonders of the sleep has been described in this story. We know about the sleep is though we don't know what exactly causes sleep. What are the causes of the sleep? We don't know about that. But sleep is a state. Do underline what is sleep is a state of rest and unconscious rest. When we sleep, our body recovers from fatigue. Fatigue, tiredness caused by the when we tired from the day's activity. After that we take sleep and it recovers all tiredness. After a good sleep we feel alert and active again and we are ready for the normal activities of the day. When we wake up in the morning, it is not always possible for us to remember what happened. When we wake up in the morning, we are unable to remember what is happening when we are asleep. Only we remember dream, but the rest of our sleep was a kind of darkness in which nothing seems to have taken place. Several things happen to our body while we are sleeping. As we sink deeper into sleep, our muscles relax. Do underline, when we take deep sleep at that time, our muscles relax and our heartbeat becomes slower, our temperature and blood pressure go down, the ever active brain also slow down, that we cannot think or act consciously but we dream. When we wake up, our temperature and blood pressure rise to normal. But when we wake up, at that time, our temperature and blood pressure becomes normal. Our heartbeat and breathing also become normal, and we are fully awake and have forgotten most all the dream that we had while sleeping. And now next is a dream is an activity of the mind. When we sleep at that time we see dreams. Dreams is the activity of the mind. Dreams help us to sleep through noise and other disturbances. Dreams also show something about one's problem but they cannot tell the future. What is a dream? इट इज़ एन एक्टिविटी ऑफ माइंड. जैसा कि मैंने अभी आपको बताया है, सम ड्रीम्स आर प्रोबेबल बट सम आर नॉट. ड्रीम्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर मैनी रीजन. वन इज डैट ड्रीम कैन हेल्प अस टू स्लीप थ्रू नॉइस. when there is noise or some other disturbance, at that time we can take a sleep. For example, the alarm clock rings but our mind causes us to dream that the telephone or the bell is ringing, that we are awake and answering it. Certain doctors have found that one's dream often reveal a great deal. Sometimes it shows a great deal about our problem, but it is not always that they can provide a key to the solution of those problems. But we must remember one thing: dreams cannot be used as a way to tell the future. They simply can never tell the future. ये नहीं कि if we think that they tell about the future, it doesn't. Sleep is the most common experience. Everybody has this experience, but how many of us really think about the wonder and power of sleep? The poet has written many poems about sleep. Here is one in which the poet is describing the falling asleep. Lights out. This is a poem. So in short we can say sleep is very necessary. We should take sleep according to our needs. It may be 8 to 9 hours or 9 to 10 hours. After that we feel fresh, so it is very important. important. So thank you students.